For the first time in days, smiling faces on the trading room floor Friday. After a traumatic week on Wall Street, markets skyrocketed for a second straight day. The Dow closed up 368 points at 11,388. All three major indexes closed more than 3% higher, floating off the news that help is on the way.
As we work with Congress to pass this legislation over the next week, other immediate actions will provide relief.
In a press conference Friday, Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson said the government is formulating a plan to help bail out banks by taking over their bad debts. After the collapse of some of the nation's biggest investment banks, coupled with the crumbling money markets, the government decided to step in with the biggest bailout plan in history. They'll throw as much as $500 billion to clean up the credit crisis. Although Wall Street loves the plan, consumers are mixed.
I think it's bad business, and I think it's bad business being rewarded because it's big business. So we're seeing, that the economy can't afford to let these people off the hook, but it has to. And taxpayers are once again being left holding the bag on this one. So I'm disappointed in it.
We're hoping it holds. It's a positive. It really was a positive, so we'll see. The problem is if it doesn't hold, what do the feds do now? I mean, that was really pretty much, there's nothing else they can do. So it's going to be interesting to see if it holds.
And that's really the big question now. Have we reached the end of this crisis? Investors are hoping the government bailout, coupled with the SEC's ban on short selling and the government guarantee on money market accounts, will help hold this rally. But the economy has a long way to go before it can fully recover from this week's damage. In New York, Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press.